Hey guys, we received these dream pairs, girls ankle boots for test and try. These have a side zipper, low heels, can be used by toddlers. So it comes in a really nice box and used by the big kids or the little kids, depends on the size. So this is the brown color or the 10 by PU color. So here you can see these are the boots with the side zipper with the low heels, nice design on the sides, good sole and nice pair of shoe. So this is easy to wear and use, very nice looking and the nice color as well with this cutout stars to give it an extra look. So with this design and other quality, the shoes are really nice with the boots and then easy to wear and easy to use as well. So hope you like this as well with a nice fit and nice shoe with a good low profile soles.